Hey, let's go. You can travel all over the world, and no matter where you go, you're sure to find a dish or two made with cabbage. It's hearty and versatile and comes in tons of varieties. Well, our friends here at the Crate Food Truck in Spokane are making a Korean staple, kimchi. And did I mention they're putting it on pork belly sliders? Yes. So Eric, tell me a little bit about Crate Food Truck.
So we try and do those flavors that are as big as we possibly can and bold, and then take from some of those different cultures that we really, really like to eat from.
Now, cabbage is a staple in your pork belly slider, is that correct?
Absolutely.
Tell me about that.
So we use cabbage a lot on the truck. It's got great texture, it's a good filler. You get the sweetness and then the sour and the bitter with it, so you get a lot going on with cabbage. People think it's kind of like a, like a basic vegetable, and I think it's a star of the vegetable world.
Now it's time to see what people think of this star vegetable in these pork belly sliders. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy cabbage?
I love cabbage. I do.
Sometimes? You do? What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy it?
Probably kimchi the most.
Kimchi the most?
Sauerkraut, kimchi.
Just like a really finely sliced, like slaw.
I love kimchi.
Perfect, because I happen to have here a pork belly slider with a Korean kimchi on it. Why don't you give that a try and tell me what you think?
That's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
No words needed. You already know how she thinks about it.
The kimchi's really nice. It's got a unique flavor, but it doesn't overwhelm the pork belly.
I've had kimchi in Korea before.
So the real deal.
The real deal, and this is good.
This is good.
Yeah.
And now it's time for me to finally get a taste. You're onto something here. This is really good. It's just very light and fresh. You're good.
Thank you.
No, thank you.